Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to review Dermazen Calming Seborrheic Serum. Dermazen's Calming Seborrheic Serum is made for those struggling with flaky, red, irritated skin, especially around the nose, scalp line, and brows. It claims to balance the skin microbiome, reduce seborrheic dermatitis, flare-ups, and provide soothing hydration with ingredients like zinc, PCA, and green tea extract. I tried this serum during a period when I had dry patches around my nose and chin. The first thing I noticed was how lightweight it felt, almost like water. Within a few days, the itchiness and redness had reduced significantly. It didn't burn at all, which is rare for serums meant for irritation. Over time, it made my skin barrier feel stronger, like it wasn't flaking as easily when using cleansers. The downside, however, is the smell. It has that slightly clinical scent, not bad, just noticeable. Also, it's a bit pricey for a small bottle, especially if you need it for daily chronic skin issues. So my final verdict would be Dermazen's Calming Serum genuinely works for mild to moderate seborrheic dermatitis. If you deal with redness or flakes that come and go, this can be a skin saver. But if your condition is severe, you will still need prescription treatment alongside it. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.